Okay Google, make my bedroom light white. Okay, there we go. Right, hello. So this is the first upload that's been on this channel in quite a long time. For those of you that have been around this channel since like early days of it, you'll know that I did make a new channel for gaming, and then maybe some of you know that I did actually make another new channel more recently, which I still upload to, which is just my name, Robert Watkin, where I do vlogs and stuff, which link should be here, link should be in the description, so check that out because vlogs are cool. But basically I'm explaining in this video how this channel is going to have a revamp. The channel's going to be renamed. I'm not sure what it's going to be renamed to yet, so we're going to have all the artwork redone, and most of the videos on the channel, except for a few, are going to go private. This is because if you look at my most popular videos, they are tutorials, they're not even gaming. So I figured, why not come back to this channel and start making tutorials, because that seems to be what people want. This is not going to be my main channel. My main channel is still going to be the vlog channel, which once again, click to go see that because vlogs are cool. But basically, yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start making tutorials. One of the reasons is because if you look at my old tutorials, they're pretty crap, and in the tutorials I look like, well, I look like a twat, to be honest. So yeah, we're going to continue on with tutorials. That's what this channel's going to be. In the future I may start doing gaming again, but for the meantime it's all going to be tutorials. I don't know when the first one's going to come out, probably in the next couple of weeks, but they're all going to be based around Sony Vegas, maybe some Photoshop, or whatever you want. So in the description, what am I talking about? In the comments, tell me what tutorials you would like to see, because these seem to be more wanted than any other video on YouTube. So yeah, tutorials, that's where we're going. I also have some social media accounts if you would like to follow them. I've got Twitter and Instagram. The links will be in the description, so click there for them. Yeah, all the tutorials, like I said, are going to be on like Sony Vegas and Photoshop, maybe some other software if I get them. But this is also because the past few years I have been editing in Sony Vegas, which means I've developed some skills in them. I am no means a professional in the software, I don't have a degree, it's just I've been using them for a few years, I've developed some skills in them, and I thought, why not share them, because I feel like I could help a lot. On screen now there should be some clips from my main channel where you can see some of the editing and stuff, so you'll develop. On screen now you should be able to see some of the videos that I've edited, or at least little snippets of them, so you can see what sort of editing will be going into it.
Nobody else. Wait. Nobody else. Never. Nobody else.
Hello.
Wait. Nobody else.
I don't mean no harm, I just miss you on the else we're just.
And what I'm going to try and do is make these tutorials quite short, quite concise, and not waste any time, because if you look at the tutorial I last done, a lot of people were complaining that I just rambled on about nothing. But yeah, I'm going to keep them short, concise, but still try and cover every bit of the situation, every bit of the tutorial, if you get what I mean. I don't want to skip any steps, because the whole point is it's a tutorial, they need to be helpful. So yeah, I'm mainly making this video just in case people who are still subscribed get a bit confused and all of a sudden this channel's different. It's just so you understand, this channel used to be called Gamer Boy Robbie. Well, it is currently at the time of me making this. But by the time the channel's going and I'm getting tutorials up, the channel will be changed to a different name. I'm not sure what the name will be yet, but that's how we're going to go about this. So yeah, we're going to see how it goes, and I guess I will see you in the first tutorial of whatever I make. I'll see you then.